I'm about to share with you 5 effective TikTok marketing strategies you can apply immediately to get more sales for your business. These are the exact strategies that I use to 3x my business and get awarded with this super cool award that's glaring all over the place. Make sure you watch this video until the end because the last strategy is going to completely change your mindset. The best part is that these strategies are completely repeatable, and we've proven it with this therapist, this nonprofit, and this doctor. I'm Austin Armstrong, and my mission is to help you grow your business by leveraging the fastest growing social media platform ever, TikTok. You can do that by subscribing. The first strategy I want you to implement is making sure that your profile and your bio are really clear about what you do, what you offer, and who you help. Your display name is actually searchable not only in TikTok, but in Google, so make it count. I would use this as an opportunity to work in a keyword related to your industry. For instance, mine says SEO and TikTok marketing agency because I want to be found for whenever someone is searching for SEO or TikTok marketing agency. You can even apply this strategy locally like we did for this therapist. We have his username set as Orange County, California therapist. Be really intentional with who you want to attract. Your bio should also be filled out to enhance that username. You can include your expertise, who you help, and I like to include a little call to action at the bottom line, telling people how they can get in touch with you. Let me know in the comments what your industry is, as well as what your TikTok handle is, and I'll give you some thoughtful feedback on actions that you can take. The next really important strategy is to outline all of the frequently asked questions that you get. Or you can do a little bit of keyword research on this if you don't exactly know what people are searching for or what questions that they have. While these individual videos may or may not go viral, that's really not the point of them. These videos are intended to nurture a specific audience, cut through the noise, reach that one specific person, and provide the perfect answer for them. This is going to build up trust, and when a user or a viewer knows, likes, and trusts you, they are far more likely to buy from you. If you'd like more information about my keyword research strategy for TikTok, how to find these questions, you can click the little card up here, or you can find the link in the description of this video. Once you actually have your content strategy locked down, it's time to actually build your marketing funnel by using the link in your bio. Now, you can either hard sell people here on your product, on your service, or what I like to do is actually get them into an email list so that you can nurture them further. I have a few different free email lists, for instance, that I get people in. For instance, I have a TikTok for business checklist and an SEO for local business checklist as well, because we offer a lot of different services like that. Think about what you can put together that is worth the price of their email. I love to do checklists, but you could also do a downloadable ebook. You could do a mini course, other downloadable assets. Get creative and think about what is worth the price of their email. Then you can completely automate this entire process by setting up an automation within a mail delivery service like MailChimp. I have a full tutorial on how to do this here if you're interested. While that process can take a little bit of time to actually build out, my favorite strategy of how I generate business and leads from TikTok is by including a Calendly link that people can easily schedule a call with me right from my TikTok bio. Now, I've learned the hard way here. You can actually set pre-qualifying questions in that calendar event to pre-screen and qualify them so that you're sure that they are an appropriate fit for your services, they can actually afford your services, and you cut out all of that noise so that you're not inundating yourself with people that you can't help at this phase of where they're at. Now that you know how to generate and capture leads within TikTok, let me show you a viral marketing strategy so you can get more eyeballs on your content and ultimately get more leads and get more sales. Click on this video right here and I'll show you my secret strategies.